When you're doing a fix and flip project and you get close to the end and you think you've got everything installed, everything's been painted, everything's done right, well, there's always some detail that has to be finished and it feels like it never ends. Am I right, fix and flippers? Well, today we're going to go down and do a quick walkthrough at the little house in Mansfield with our GC Aaron and see what kind of details have to be done before we hit the market, because we are so ready to get this property on the market. So stick around, come with me. My name's Tony. This is Run the Comps. Here we go. Aaron is here with me today, and Aaron, have you had a lot of fun working on this house, or what?
This has been a challenge in a few different ways. So.
Yeah, it's been pretty crazy, huh? It was a really crappy house when I got it, and I really didn't even want to do the rehab on it. I really tried to sell it as is,
Right.
but the offers I was getting were pretty crappy, so I just said, the heck with it. Let's just do the rehab, and then the market shifted a little bit on us.
Definitely.
And now I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell it, so I'm going to put it up for sale and for rent. See what happens first. If I end up renting it out, then this will be your typical what we call a BRRR. That's the buy, renovate, rent, and refinance. Yeah, something like that. So that would be this property would be a great example of that sort of strategy if that's what we end up doing. If we end up selling it, great. I could take a little bit more cash in my pocket and move on to the next one. But well, let's take a walk around inside and see what we got here, Aaron. Well, here she is in all her glory. We're gonna go ahead and take a look around. The landscape leaves a little bit to be desired. It's been raining. Can't really do much with it right now. Got that front porch installed. It's painted. Just about everything's done. We just have a little list of stuff. So if you want to just kind of lead me through here and show me some of the things that you've got on the punch list, Aaron, that would be great.
So we got your kitchen put in.
And the kitchen looks really great. It's really a big improvement over what it used to be. Got brand new appliances. We've got room for a refrigerator down here at this end. I can see one of the little details we need to do. We need to put an end cap on these base cabinets here.
Got end cap and an end cap. We need to move that plug for your refrigerator. Mm-hmm. Figure out what's going on with the lighting here.
Oh, it's a light switch.
It's on. It's on. I don't know. Last time we were here, everything worked fine. So it could be that it rained and might have got some moisture in it. Hopefully that's not the issue. We'll get over here and figure it out.
Okay.
And then got everything installed. New oven.
Disposer for it to go under the sink?
We do. Unfortunately, we have it installed also.
Okay.
Looks great. Doesn't work. Needs power.
Look, there's nowhere to plug it in. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's something that we didn't think about in advance, but that's okay. So I think what we'll do with that, we'll just pull that disposer out and
definitely
just put a drain pipe in there, and that's just one less thing to worry about if I have to
renting
it out. So yeah.
Perfect. Then we got your.
Oh yeah, I like that little door on the HVAC cabinet. It makes it easy to access the filter.
Yep. Got your filter size on here, 16 by 20. So if you have renters, they don't have to guess.
Great. Over here, let's see. We got the barn doors up on the utility room.
Barn door with all the hardware's on it.
Looks good. It's kind of a space saver. You're able to close that door and hide that laundry room, storage area. So this is where the water heater is. I know I've showed everybody this before, and we've got the stackable washer and dryer set up in here. This is where those gas pipes used to come into the house, and we finally got rid of those. Atmos came out here and retired our service for us, so that's cool. All right. Yeah, I think taking out that wall really made a huge difference.
It does.
It makes this front room in this little house feel that much bigger.
It definitely makes it not so boxy.
We'll start over here in the big bedroom in the back, and I see you got some closet doors installed, and
got a closet rod, a shelf. Got a light, need to get a light bulb in it.
Okay.
But we'll do all that with the final punch list.
Sounds good.
Um,
Yeah, we got rid of that masterpiece switch plate cover and put something a little more boring in here. So, any of you that's been following along, you know that was an item of discussion at one point. Oh, another room with the lights not working suddenly. Huh?
One more, yeah. This might all be connected, honestly. Since your breaker box so small, this room might piggyback off of.
Okay.
Got this closet put together.
Excellent, excellent.
Again, need a light bulb. Then we got
so light bulbs, cleaning,
a good clean.
A couple of things in the kitchen. What about the bathrooms here? Oh, that light works. That's good.
This one works. This one, we need to put a mirror in here.
Okay.
Fix this. We had to do a patch. We had to fix something here. So we need to fix a little texture on this and touch it up. Put a mirror on. Your bathroom's
cover for that exhaust fan up there.
And we have it. We just need to put it up.
Okay.
And then your toilet.
Yeah. That's a great place to sit and think about things.
And then you got your catch-all room.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. You guys been kind of keeping your stuff in here. So we'll have to.
Another closet. It's finished out.
Have that closet finished.
And then you got this bathroom.
A new side door, and the side door goes to the little porch right out there. That's pretty cool. And another mirror.
Put a mirror in here.
Another mirror in this bathroom. You were able to get that toilet flush on the floor, so that's really cool. We were worried about that at one point, I remember.
Yes. We had an issue, but took care of itself.
Okay. Well, there's the quick tour for today. As you can see, it's the never-ending project like we talked about. We still have a few details and punch list items to take care of, but I think once I get the yard guys over here, once the skies clear up and it dries up a little bit, I'll get the yard guys over here, get that yard mowed, cleaned up, give it a little bit of curb appeal, and then put this property out there for rent and for sale and see what happens first. The way the market has shifted in this area, looks like I'm going to place my bet on getting it rented first before somebody comes along with a sale offer, because all through the summer, the houses were selling really good over here. And there was a very, very limited supply of active inventory for buyers to choose from. But now, all of a sudden, this submarket has a ton of active listings, and these listings are now sitting on the market way longer than they used to. So a little bit concerning there, but I think these are the sort of shifts that we like to see in the market, because it's been so tight, and now the election is over, and we're going to start to see some movement in the real estate market, I believe, because in election year, there's always a lot of hesitancy. People are concerned about what's going to happen. We'll get this thing on the market, see what happens, and keep going from there. Yeah, like I said, it's been raining out here. It's kind of muddy. I don't want to go trek into the backyard and get my feet all muddy today. So you were telling me about this is where the HVAC, that little outlet down there coming out of the wall, is probably the condensation overflow, right?
Yes.
All right.
We need to angle that down.
Sounds
for
good.
Code.
Yeah. I think an inspector would probably call that out.
Oh,
all right. Well,
here it comes.
It's starting to rain again. I'm thinking, starting to rain again. I'm thinking, I'm getting kind of hungry, Aaron. I don't know about you.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
Let's go get some lunch.
Sounds great.
Barbecue place around the corner. All right, we've done our walkthrough over at the little house in Mansfield for today. We've got a punch list of things to finish up. We're going to get those things done, get the house cleaned next week, get the yard serviced, and get that property on the market finally. It looks like we're finally able to get this property on the market really soon. I'm expecting maybe late next week, maybe by next weekend. So now we're gonna go over and have some barbecue. This great place right around the corner from the house. It took us like 5 minutes to get here. You can even walk if you wanted to. This is over here in the old downtown area of Mansfield. Neat little place where there's several restaurants, a brewery, barbecue, tacos, you name it. All kinds of good stuff over here. So we're gonna go check it out And until next time, I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. I'm out.